Of this video, do you want to change your art from this to this to this? Well, continue watching this video. As you've probably seen in the title already, this is step 1 to learning how to draw. This is the easiest way to learn how to draw, simplifying everything. Everything that you are going to draw, turn it into shapes, simple shapes. Take my body for example, the torso. You do it in a square, then the arms, balls for the joints, cylinder, or anything for like the limbs. I will show you how to get started in simplifying everything in this video, starting right now. As I said previously, turning everything into simple shapes will make something easier to draw. It's necessary that you are able to draw squares, circles, and even other shapes. Once you've got all the shapes down, you can practice trying to draw them in 3-dimensional. So you'd turn squares into cubes, circles into spheres, and to really challenge yourself, draw irregular objects 3-dimensional. Even try adding in different perspectives to it. Do this as many times as you want, and once you feel like you're ready, you can move on to the next step. Now the final step is implementing these shapes into an actual art piece. For instance, in the human anatomy, you can replace parts like joints with circles or spheres, limbs with cylinders, etc. You get the gist. Now this is all I've got for you today, so if you enjoyed the video, I think that really helped, be sure to hit that like button. And if you feel really generous, you can hit that subscribe button, you know. But this is all I've got, so if you want me to draw anything in the future, you can type that in the comment below. But yeah, I'll see you all in the next one.